This is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch Settings. Onwards, go for the Google category over here. Make sure that there are no accounts added to your system. If there are any, we'll have to remove them one by one, which is can be easily done by typing at the account, then go and put the Manage Accounts on this device option, and then here simply remove each Google account that you have. Once this step is out of the way, re-enter the Google category, then go for the Parental Controls option over here, Get Started, Child Routine, Next. In here, tap at the Add or Create account for your child, and sign into the Gmail account that you should have earlier prepared, well, as a child's account. And it's also worth mentioning, even though I guess that's kind of obvious, that the child has to not know the password to this account, since if they do, they will be able to fairly easily circumvent or bypass the parental controls and disable them by themselves. So, sign into the child's Google account. Then choose the account that we have just logged into from the list over here. Onwards, sign into parents' Google account this time, or the account that you will use for supervising your child's activity. So you know the drill, just enter email address, enter password, nothing complicated here. At the following page, at the bottom part of it, enter the password to the child's Google account one more time. Then tap the Agree button to your bottom right and go for the Allow option at the following pop-up window that you'll get. Onwards, we'll need to wait a little bit for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then proceed. In here, I recommend that you skip this step and finish the setup sooner, since everything that we are doing now can be also performed later on. So, I mean, it's no point in thinking about all of it, at least, well, from my point of view. From here, you have kind of work, so you can either go, if the device that is written in the bold font over here is the one that you will use as supervisor, that's the correct device that is displayed over here, you can just tap at the blue Install Family Link button, and the needed Family Link app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your supervisor's phone. Or you can just skip the step and manually get this app from the Play Store. I mean, it's not that much more work to do. So take your parental or supervisor's device, just type in the Family Link and download this app real quick. So by the way, at this point, as you can see, we are all set at the child's end. So now just take your supervising device. Once Google Family Link app gets downloaded, launch it obviously, and here we have a somewhat important step. Sign into the app with the account that you have earlier identified as parent's account. And at the Family Link app, you can do a lot of things, such as set up daily usage limits, set up the downtime routine, configure app limits, monitor your child's app activity, turn on and off some, or, well, practically any of the apps, change account settings, manage devices, monitor your child's live location if you'll set up location, of course, location services, and see your child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up parental controls for this device goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.